Yeah, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bonga Tube. This is Michael Were Mohosia, aka Bonga Boli. I'm at home in the village here in Kakamega County. It's another beautiful day that the Lord has given unto us, and you can see how lovely this place looks like. Let me go and see my grandma. She woke up very early in the morning as usual, in spite of her old age. Shut! What? Kick you! Let me take this. They want to threaten me here because they think that I'm a stranger. They've never seen me before. So that's why they think that I'm invading their territory. Yeah. So let me go around looking for her. You can see she was doing her stuff here, trying as much as possible to clean her compound, right? Very early in the morning and on daily basis. Where is she? Yeah. I'm looking for her so that I can say hi. There she is. What did you eat?
What's that?
How is the neighbor on the child?
What else do you do?
Okay.
Kado.
It's a card.
Kabina you and
Oh.
I talk about the coach. I want to Google the audio of a corn or Kadoko. You go with that kind of all our level to Makalim.
Bang your boss. She's doing her stuff. Aye. Sawa. Yonyao. Aini which bus? Yeah, there's some birds here. How do you call them? I'm forgetting. You see this one here, and the other side. So I just want you to listen to, yes, that one. I wanted you to listen to their chirping. Very, very refreshing. Look at the other one there. There are two. I think they're constructing their nests. And they are very skillful when it comes to constructing nests. So ideally they are using the banana, are they the leaves, banana leaves? You can see they already destroying almost the upper part. I don't know if they'll be facing the wrath of the owner. Look at the trees. So trees are very, very important. Trees are very, very important. Apart from serving the people, the trees serving us in terms of shade, firewood, maybe for wood, etc. But they also play a very important in the ecosystem. I'm talking about for birds and other creatures, including snakes. Listen to their voices. Charping. also. It has got deep roots. You can see how it is spreading. So it's not ideal for you to plant this kind of tree next to your house, because you can see how it's spreading its roots. Very, very important. I think it has been here close to 15 or 20 years, if I'm not wrong. This one here. Yeah. And if given chance, it can end up staying here for close to 70 years, if I'm not wrong. The volcanic soil. This is an avocado tree. There's so many fruits there, if you can see, but they're all green. Very, very hard or difficult to notice. I love nature. Nature is part of me. We talk of nature, it's part of my life. Look at those dots. Yeah. So in most cases, they always construct their nests and come in large numbers when maize is almost being harvested. Then and only then is when you see a good number of them constructing their nests around this place, for the obvious reason that they'll be feasting on what they didn't plant. Whoa. Let me check. Let's see the other one. The avocado tree. The avocado tree. So some avocados. Yeah, but they're too small. But the other ones are big. The other side, right? So these are fruits that very soon you're going to harvest. Trees all over. That's why this place is so green, with a nice soil topography that makes our life look better. Well, this is Bonga Tube, Bonga Tube channel. I'm in the village.